Are you looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan in pure white. With fully automatic headlamps, roof rack, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, sport spoiler, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temp control, split folding rear seats, blind spot monitoring, electronic stability control, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3135A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.